Hi! In this video, I will show you how to change your email both from the magicplan app and from the cloud. Let's start with the app. Once you're here, you need to tap on Profile at the bottom, then again on Profile at the top, and here you land in your account, and as you can see, you have the option to change your email. You would select that and you can put your new email. I'm not gonna change it here because we're gonna take our cloud and change the email address from there. Once you open your cloud, you need to go on Profile and your account. And as you can see here, you have the personal data. You tap on Edit and you can also add your name if you want, other details. And here you have the email that we're simply gonna change to test2@magicplan.app. We insert the password and we save the changes. Voila! Now you have this information. We sent an email with a confirmation link. Pay attention because the link expires in 15 minutes. So you need to do this procedure while you have access to your inbox, so you can go there, tap on the link, confirm the new email, and then you're ready to go and can keep working with magicplan with the new email address. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.